welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2012 on a 12 reg wheelchair adapted VW Caddy Maxi with an automotive group version. Registered on the 21st of May 2012. This car's covered just 21,000 miles, and as you will see in this short video, is in grade A condition. It's had 3 main dealer services, including a cam belt and water pump, so it's been very well maintained throughout its life. A very low mileage wheelchair adapted car. We keep around 25 of these in stock. They're not all VW Caddy Maxis. We also carry Peugeot partners, Euro 5s and Euro 6s, Ford Tornios, Citroen Dispatches, Citroen Berlingos and Peugeot Experts. So generally they're the most popular wheelchair adapted vehicles that we feel suit our business. This one's a 7-speed automatic DSG gearbox version and a 5-seat plus wheelchair at all time, and as you will see shortly, with a large wheelchair access space. But it has the 7-seat option, so if you want to use it as a 7-seater, you can buy the 3rd row seats and use it as a 7-seat standard vehicle, but without any wheelchair space. So it's got the bifold ramp, so that's in its folded position, stored position. Just by using this lever there, quite difficult with one hand, so it's a lot easier. It's got 2 handles on it, so when you're doing it with two handles, a lot easier to use, and we'd give you a full demonstration when we come to either deliver the car or if you came to us. We'll show you exactly how to use everything. It's got 4-point securing. There's 2 electric belts at the front. There's an electric switch here, buzzer to let you know that it's in the on. If you leave it on, it will drain the battery eventually. So putting that back on releases these belts. So to switch off, the belts won't come out, and that's how you secure the front. It's called what they call a tongue and buckle. This part's the tongue, and obviously that part is the buckle, and that just clicks in like a standard seat belt and secures it. So you've got one each at the front there, and at the back you've got another 2 straps. So it's 4-point securing. These are what we call a keyhole slot, and in a circle part there, just slots in the key, slides forward, and that locks it into place. Again, you've got the tongue and buckle on the securing part, and the adjustment is on there, so you can just press that red button in, opens it up. You can then make your adjustment accordingly, and then when it's its desired length, just click that down, and there you go. So as I say, full demonstration will be given at any point, whether you come to see us, whether we visit you, but rest assured that you'll be able to secure the chair without having to worry about it. And a lovely brown metallic paint. Admittedly, it's not everyone's cup of tea. Personally, I think it's great. Not many of these on the road, so if you like something that's a bit unusual like myself, then yeah, the brown could be a nice option. Looks lovely in the sunshine as well. There's your rear middle row, what we call middle row seats. There's some storage on the floor, both sides of the vehicle there. And coming into the cockpit, you've got electric windows and your electric mirrors. Quite easy, just toggle left and right. That's your locking, so you can lock the car on the inside. If you only open the passenger door and you need to open the rest, you can press it on that, and there you one-touch electric windows. You've also got height adjustment on the seat, just on a ratchet basis, so up and down. Quite easy to use, and that will adjust the seat up and down. We've also got some lumbar support there. see that? Just in there, just turn, and that'll offer you lumbar support. As I say, 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. Quite easy to use, very, very popular. Back up to there, you've got your hazard warning lights there, your AC fan switch there, there's your AC button, fan switch there, and your speed, that's your direction, and there's your hot and cold. So, don't come with cigarette lighters these days because they don't like the smoking in vehicles. I'm not a fan of it myself, and it will always devalue a vehicle if it sticks to the tag, so just please bear that in mind. If you're looking for finance, we use Motonovo. You can apply online. Very, very easily done. Answer back within a few minutes. If you're looking for part exchange, we can do part exchange as well. Doesn't have to be wheelchair adapted vehicles. Take any vehicle in. Use a variety of means of getting you the best price possible. So if you want to discuss that, give us a call on 01634 716 911. If you want to look on the website and maybe go through your finance options, have a look on there. It's www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk, or if you want to pop along and see us, you can do so at Pooling Road Service Station in Wainscott in Kent, and the postcode's ME2 4RL.